Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: sky blue, green, orange, pink, brown, violet, red, black, blue, light green, yellow color and purple color, orange color. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A, yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter B. Kids, this is letter C. Now kids, we are tracing capital letter D. Kids, this is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. This is capital letter G. Now we are tracing letter H. This is letter I. Kids, now we are tracing letter J, light green color. Kids, this is letter K, sky blue color. We are tracing letter L. This is letter M. Now kids, we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. Kids, we are tracing letter P. Now we are tracing letter Q. This is letter R. S. This is letter S. Now we are tracing letter T. Kids, this is letter U. This is letter V, violet color. W, pink color. X, Y, and this is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.